Using Dynamics 365 Business Central, but feel like something is missing. Want to automate workflow, improve your reporting style, or boost your e-commerce operation? Well, you are in luck. Today, I will introduce you to 5 must-have add-ons that can take your Business Central experience to the next level. Stick around till the end, and I'll share a bonus tip of choosing the right add-on for your business. Let's start with Jet Reports, a game changer for financial and operational reporting inside Business Central. If you have ever struggled with extracting data and creating reports manually, this tool is for you. Imagine you are a finance manager and you need a monthly financial statement that consolidates data across multiple departments. Instead of manually exporting data from Business Central, Jet Reports lets you pull real-time data directly into Excel, create customized financial statement, and even schedule reports to be emailed automatically. So here you can find Jet Reports for Business Central, and you can see the complete details about what is Jet Reports and how you can just make use of this Jet Reports into your Business Central. So just scroll down and understand more about it. And also you can find other related thing like BizView here you can see, but and also you can learn more about it, like whether it is like what is the rating and the review for this particular um, add-on. Okay, and also what is the details and support, like what is the reason when they have updated recently, and what are the products they support, everything about it. So this is the first go-to add-on which I always recommend if you wanted to use your reporting, if you wanted to make your reporting in the next level. How it helps: real-time reporting in Excel. This will eliminate the need for a manual data exports and automates the financial statements and performance report. So this is the first add-on which I wanted to discuss. Let's just go to the next add-on, Continia document capture. So what is this? It's a powerful tool that can automate document management and invoice processing. If your company deals with hundreds or even thousands of invoices each month, this is must have. Let's say you run a retail business and your vendor sends you invoice daily. Instead of manually entering invoice details, Continia uses OCR, which is optical character recognition, to scan, extract, and automatically match invoices with purchase order in a Business Central. It even sends them through an approval workflow before payment. So you can find, so here you have a free trial, okay, and you can find the rating here, which is 4.8. And you can just learn about what is this. Just go ahead with the overview of this. Apart from like what are the things which I have mentioned, it has even more additional features which you can definitely try it out. And these are the features like intelligent OCR automatically captures, and automatic three-way matching ensures consistency across the document, automatically approve invoices under set limit amount, get a clear overview of all your recurring costs and managing them, save time managing them, and pull up your document history in a seconds. So you can also see few screenshots like how it can be used in your Business Central. Okay, so you can find other product which are comes under Continia, that is document output, Continia Oples, Continia banking, Continia document capture, Continia other like a balance and DACH. So this is the next level, like next add-on. That is the second add-on which I wanted to discuss with you. So before we proceed with the another third add-on, I just want to tell you that this is my channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe here first. And you can find a lot of useful playlists for Business Central, functional as well as technical, AL programming if you're preparing for MBA 20, if you're preparing for MBA 800 exam, everything. I'll be conducting bootcamps often. You can find it here, and I'm planning to upload a GitHub Copilot prompts for Business Central. So those things are coming soon. So you can watch these things here. Okay, and if you want to support my work in any, like if you like any of my video and if you want to support my work, like whenever you click on any video, you can find you can find one thing called a thanks. If you just click on this three dots, you can find thanks. If you want to support me in any way, just click on this thanks and support me. And there are few videos which are exclusive for the members. So if you want to join as a member, just click here, join. You can join as a member where you'll get access to the exciting videos here. Okay. And if you have any queries related to Business Central or Power BI or your career certification ready, if you which certification you want to go ahead with, any questions related to your career or a technology or your research, even if you're a student, if you want to connect with me, you can just click here, schedule a call with me. The link is in the comment section. Okay. And if you are preparing for interview, or if you require a project like a complete end-to-end project in Business Central development, you can find the documentation with the code and everything here in this particular ebook store. You can also get it there. Now let's just jump into the third add-on, Project Power BI app for Business Central. So if you love data-driven decisions, then Power BI integration with Business Central is a must-have. It helps you visualize business performance and create an interactive dashboard with the real-time data. Suppose you are a CEO who wants to track sales performance across different regions. Instead of going through multiple reports, Power BI provides an interactive dashboards where you can see revenue trends, top selling products, and even forecast sales, all with a few clicks. So here you can see these are the various, like you can find the complete description of this particular add-on. If you just click on this, you can see these types of visuals you can create it with the help of this Power BI add-on. And what are the additional add-ons which are possible with Power BI, like Dynamics 365 Business Central Finance, Business Central Analytics, and Business Central Sales Analytics. If you want me to try any one of these add-ons into Business Central, comment S or comment try. I'll be happy to help you. So this add-on is by Microsoft, and of course its pricing is free. You can just get it, make use of it in your Business Central and try this out. Okay. So what are the various advantages or the features of this particular add-on is what it transforms the raw data into actionable insights, and it creates a real-time dashboard with the drill down capabilities, and also it helps forecast trends and make the data driven decisions as well. So let's just go ahead with the fourth add-on. Okay. So fourth add-on is what the Shopify connector. What is this Shopify connector is what? This is an add-on. This add-on is a game changer. Okay, the Shopify connector seamlessly synchronize your orders, inventory, customer data with the Business Central. Okay. So what is this actually? This will, let's say, for example, you own a fashion e-commerce business and a customer places an order on your Shopify store. With this connector, the order is automatically recorded in Business Central, inventory level update in the real time, and the sales invoice is generated instantly without manual entry. So you can find this is from Microsoft, and of course it is a free, the pricing is free here. And you can find various other features of this Shopify, that is adapt faster, work smarter, perform better, and these are the features of this Shopify. Okay, and you can also find um, what does it do. Okay, so Shopify, what it do, so everything you can find it. And this is a rating, and also you can find about the details and support when they have last updated, and how it can be helpful for the Business Central users. Fine. And finally, to talk about is what Avalara Avatax. So by the name itself, you can understand something no business can afford to ignore. That is, the Avalara Avatax is a must-have for Business Central operating in multiple tax jurisdiction. Okay. So for example, imagine you run an IT service company selling software license across different states or countries with varying tax rates and compliance law. Manual tax calculations can be a nightmare, right? So our tax automatically calculates the correct tax rate, applies it to your invoices, and even generates tax reports for compliance. So how it helps? It ensures the accurate tax calculation across multiple locations. It reduces tax compliance risk, and as well as it automates tax reporting and filing. So here you can see these are the various other add-ons of other features of Avatax. Okay, so these are the features and how exactly this Avatax works. So you can just play this and understand how this Avatax works. Okay, and how you can integrate into Business Central. Got it? See, Avatax is automatically calculating your thing. Okay, so let's just understand who designed this. This is for Dynamics 365 Business Central by Avatax, and you can have a free trial. Okay, it's not completely free, but you have a free trial. Okay. Okay, so these are the 5 important add-on which I wanted to discuss with you. I just want to summarize few things. Like if you are working in finance, accounting, or manufacturing, then Jet reports will be helpful for you. Of course, even if you are in any other domain, Jet reports will help you. It has a real-time financial and operating reporting, seamless Excel integration, and automates financial statements. And talking about Continia document, so this is helpful for retail, wholesale, logistics, which automates the invoice and document processing, OCR-based data extraction, and faster approval workflow. Next to talk about is what the Power BI projects, which is all industry, that is a cross-functional. Interactive dashboards and visual analytics can be created, real-time data insights, and helps in data-driven decision making. Next to talk about is what the Shopify. This is for e-commerce and retail industry domain, and which synchronizes orders, inventory, and customers automatically, which reduces the manual data entry, faster order fulfillment. And last, to talk about Avatax is what this is useful for the IT services, retail, global business, which automates tax calculations on compliance, ensures accurate multi-jurisdictions tax rates, and reduces risk of tax penalties. Choosing the right add-on is very important. If you are in finance or accounting, you should have Jet reports in with you. Okay, this is pricing is free. You can just go ahead and try this. If you deal with high volume of invoices, then you have to go with Continia document capture, saves hours of manual work. If you are in a real-time data insights, if you require real-time data insights, you have to go ahead with the Power BI. If you are selling online, Shopify connector keeps your e-commerce operation perfectly. And finally, if your business operates in multiple tax jurisdiction, then Avalara Avatax ensures compliance. Okay. So which here this is what, and that you have the 5 must-have add-ons for Business Central. These tools can save you time, reduce errors, and automate tedious tasks, help you focus on growing your business. Before choosing the right add-on, ask yourself, does it integrate seamlessly with Business Central setup? Does it align with your Business Central goal? And make sure to test them out with a free trial if available. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more Business Central tips. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comment below. I'll be happy to assist you. Take care. I'll meet you soon with the next exciting video. If you have any other topic in your mind, just comment it below.